What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with the company Anicekiss. Here I'm just showing you the packaging. I did get a silk or satin headscarf, some mink lashes, and I also got this weaving neck cap and a comb, and then the inside of the box, which has care instructions. This is the wig. This is their HD 13x4 bodywave wig. It is 22 inches and 180 density. Here I'm showing you did come with 3 combs and adjustable straps, and I'm putting the lace on my skin to show you guys that it is HD. Jumping right into the video, y'all already know how I do this. You want to cut off the excess lace, line everything up, clean the perimeter of your forehead with 90% alcohol, and then we're going to go in with some got to be glue to do a glueless install like so. Next, I'm going to take some foundation powder in a shade lighter than my skin complexion, and I'm going to put that on the perimeter of my lace, and as you guys can see, it blends in perfectly. Since this is going to be a glueless quick install, you don't need that much. Once you clean that off, we're going to get into installing with the gel. I am going to go ahead and put my part in, so I'm taking my rat tail comb and we're going to do a bust down middle part, as you guys can see. Once you get your part perfected, you want to take a little bit of waxing, a wax stick or some pressing oil and a hot comb to press out your leave out. Make sure everything's flat. Once we do that, we're going to get into installing with the Got To Be Freeze spray. Y'all, I ran through this video quick because I was on my way to a photo shoot with my family, but you get the gist. Take your can of spray, whether you use bedhead or Got To Be, and I sprayed about, I'd say 3 spritz on each side, and I'm just taking my blow dryer on a low heat setting and then the end of my rat tail comb and gently pressing that in. This will give you a minimum hold. Like I said, it lasted me all day, and I kept the wig on for, I'd say, about 2 more days after this, so it held me down for like a weekend, which is all that I needed. I did work my way in the middle and then did the sides like so. So you're going to see me repeat the process I did in the middle, start on the side, and then I'm going to work my way on the other side until we get everything completely laid down. And then we're going to lay that down with an elastic band. To take my pressing oil and put a little bit on my part just to lay that down, and I'm going to use my elastic band to lay down my edges while I press out my hairline. This is what we're looking like, and I'm just going to tie it down like so, and then we're going to use our hot comb to press out the excess. Be careful doing this, don't burn yourself. The pressing oil does get really hot, which is why I recommend, if you are a beginner, using a wax stick. Take your time. Like you guys see, I'm pressing out my leave out, making sure everything's all flat. I don't want no bumps, no lumps, no humps. Once we get everything pressed out to your liking, I'm going to go in with my straightener. Before I use my straightener, I'm going to go in with a light heat protectant spray, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store. And then I'm going to go in with my Babyliss Pro. This is their nano titanium straightener, and then I'm using this silk pressing comb that I also purchased from my local beauty supply store. You can also pick that up from your local beauty supply store, or I would check on Amazon or Walmart. I see them everywhere. But I use the comb and the straightener at the same time, going in 2 to 3 motions down each strand until I get the bone straightness that I like. I did work in sections. I started on the left side and then worked my way onto the right until I got the look that I was going for, and that will be the completed look. ladies, this is the finished look. Getting to her, getting to her. It's giving me silk press, it's giving me blowout, it's giving me natural. Very natural. Y'all, this looks like my own hair. Getting to it. And this was super silky. Again, you guys, this is Anicekiss. This is their bodywave 22-inch HD lace wig in 180 density. This is super, super affordable, easy to install. I would say perfect for beginners. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.